What is going on, guys? Today we're going to put some LED headlights in the Bullet back here. So any of you guys that drive the New Edge know that the halogen bulbs that come in these things just not great. So it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I was able to team up with Auxito. They sent me some bulbs over. So we're going to get these things changed out, show you befores and afters, the installation process, what I think of the bulbs, the whole thing. So let's get into it. Okay, here's what they sent me. We have got the LED bulbs here, and these are actual decoders. So these older vehicles that had halogen bulbs, you put an LED in them, sometimes what'll happen is it'll mess with the CAN bus system. So you can get, maybe your car will give you an indication on the dash that the headlight bulb is out. Or sometimes your gauges will act funny. Sometimes you'll get static through the radio. So there's things like that. So these decoders, they just plug in line. One plugs in the vehicle, one plugs into the new headlight. This is going to prevent any of those problems that come along with putting LED bulbs into a car that didn't come with them. So this is a thing that a lot of companies don't include. So it's great that Auxito does, so we don't have any of those issues. Then let's look at what we've got in with our bulbs. So we open this up, got a pair of gloves to be able to put the lights in. We've got a manual, and then we've actually got the bulbs themselves. These things seem to be pretty well built. They've actually got a fan built into the bulb itself, so that's pretty cool. This thing should just be a direct replacement, fit in exactly where the old bulb came out. So here we've got the before. First thing we're going to do, these headlights are really easy to get out on these. They have these little tabs that pop up, and I can just get that whole headlight out, make this process a whole lot easier. So on these, you got the headlight, you got the turn signal, so there are two plugs we had to undo. Now we just have to get this bulb out of here. This thing should just quarter turn and come out. Okay, so these have a ring on the back of them that hold them on. There's the old bulb out. Now we simply get our new bulb, get it pushed in. Put our ring back on. That's all there is to it. Now, there is an up and down on these. I believe the clip is going to be up. The only thing I could find on the instructions it says is install them, turn your brights on. If the brights don't go higher than the dims, then this bulb needs turned around. So once again, I think on this specific model, having the tab up makes it pretty easy. Now we need to put our decoder. Once again, it just plugs directly to the bulb. and this side plugs into the car. Now we've just got to get our retaining pins pushed down in here, and we should be done. A lot of times you're going to have to put a little pressure back on that light as you put this in here, so that's what I'm going to do. Now on that decoder, I just fed it through here and actually just zip tied it to an existing hole that was already there in the fender. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now I just got to come over here, do the exact same thing on this side. Passenger side is easier because there's more room. So we're going to get that done and see what it looks like. Right, we've got them both in. Did same thing over here. Just zip tied that decoder out of the way so it's not rattling around. Let's go out and see how these things look. And here's the after. So overall, I am pretty happy with those. I mean, you can tell in the video, they are significantly brighter. I'm gonna say 50–60% brighter than just the regular halogen bulbs. Installation is easy. What I really like about LED replacements is that it keeps the factory look. So you're not changing out the way the headlights look, the way the car looks, you just get better performance out of it. So if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in getting some of these bulbs from Auxito, I'm gonna drop a link down in the description, as well as a discount code where they'll give you 15% off if you use my discount code. I'll see you guys next time.